Okay, Jude. Today is Monday. First, we're going to brush our teeth. Go brush your teeth. Good job. All right. Put it in the done bag. Next is time to put your shoes on. Go get your shoes and put your shoes on. Good job. Give me 5. All right. Put it in the done bag. All right, now look. It's time for Class Connect.
Yay!
Go sit at your computer. It's time to do your math.
I can't do it. I'm going to take a break.
Okay, try one more problem. If you do that, I'll give you a goldfish.
Yay.
Do one more problem and I'll give you a goldfish.
Yay!
Keep going. You have a couple more problems. You need a break? Okay, go ahead. Take a break and go play with your toys.
Can I get a glass of water then after I get my toys?
Play with your toys for a minute. Play with your toys. Jude, right here. Jude, right here. Play with your toys. Play with your toys. Look at me. Look at me. Break time's over. All done. Break time's all done. Come on. Go put this in the done pile. Go put it in the done bag. Good job. Now we have Study Island. Go sit at the computer. Look at the computer. Go sit at the computer.
Like a real class.
Do your Study Island. Good job.
Island here. I don't want to do it. I can't do it.
You can do it. Try one more time and I'll give you a goldfish.
Okay.
Good job. Now look. Study Island's over. It's time for a
Break.
snack.
Snack.
Let's go get a snack. Okay. Let's see what's next. Come on over. Snack time's over. Look. It's time to work with Mom. Look at me. If you work with Mom, then you get to play your video game. Okay, let's go work with Mom.
Work with Mom.
Good job. Look, since you worked with Mom, you get to play your video game.
Oh yeah, hold on. This level. My marker. Maybe on this so quick.
Good job. Thanks for listening.
No, wait. I have to wait now.
All right, look, Jude. Your video game's all done. Put it away. I'm going to put it in the done bag. Good job. You worked hard today. Give me 5. Good job.